Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 37. We just got our notification that we received earnings for the day, and yeah, it went down a little bit. As you see, guys, we got 0.44%. So the money I've invested, I made 47.26 today. Did go down from yesterday. We had 77.98, but we still got decent earnings considering the fact. From what it has been weeks prior. So it's an average day, I would say. So now I'm roughly about $630 away from 15,000, guys. That's my next milestone there. As you look at my investments here, on the investments page, I'm underneath the Forex section. And I go down to the bottom here, my investments. So yeah, in 3 days I made $202.80, guys. Just all on autopilot. Just having the money invested in the Forex market. So it's a computerized bot. It's actually earning the money for me automatically. As you see, daily income there is $47.26. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna let this run. I think I touched on it in the last video. I'm gonna let this run for 30 days. What will happen is the money will auto reinvest because auto reinvest is turned on. So money will come in. I'll have two investments, and then every 2 weeks I'm going to combine and whatever I have earnings from the 2 weeks from that point, I'm going to probably take out maybe a couple $100 and reinvest the other $125. So it should be somewhere around 300 at that point. Once it gets to around 16 grand, guys, which will be probably another month and a half or so. So I'm excited for that. And guys, you know, I mean, a lot of people were sending me emails asking me, why did I join S Group? What's the main reason that I joined this company? What made me so secure knowing that my money that I've invested is in a safe place? Well, I know 2 or 3 other guys that are above me that have been in the system longer than me, and they told me about S Group, how phenomenal it is. They showed me all the research they've done on the company and the owners, and they've basically been in the company for 6 months more than I have, and they're telling me all about it. And they said it's incredible. Back when I started, my other higher up started, S Group only dealt with the Forex market, but as you see now, S Group not only deals with Forex, but they also have the S Pharmaceutical. You can invest your money in the medical cannabis, the pharmaceutical market. They also have the SIPO, which is investing in various stocks that they have with partnerships with other companies, all stock trading, all done automatically, same as the S Pharmaceutical. You invest in various facets of the S Pharmaceutical, which is, for example, here, full cycle, which is 25 grand, production 2,500. And then extraction, which is $5,000, sale is $7,500, and products $10,000. So you can make any of these contributions, and whatever part of the phase that they're in, you're going to make money off of your contribution. And I think you earn your money every 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. And yeah, so I mean, that's the S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, Liquidity Mining. That is their own token system that they have on the market. And everything, like I said, guys, it's all done automatically. You don't have to do anything technical or anything. All you have to do is invest your money in any one of these 4 areas. I'm just doing Forex right now because that's what I originally started with. I'm going to build it up, and then I'm going to throw some money into these other areas. So I want to get up to at least probably the $50,000 level. As you see, I'm at the $10,000 level. I should be able to hit 25 sometime early next year, and then 50,000 probably towards the end of next year. And yeah, I'm going to be good to go, guys. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you want to be a part of this, again, make sure you click on the sign up link down below in the description of the video. You can sign up underneath my team, and I'll walk you through everything. And I'll show you how the back office and everything works. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can get all the notifications and updates for all the new videos that are coming out in my channel, guys, so you can kind of see how I'm doing. So I want to thank you guys for checking out this video tonight. That concludes my 5-minute daily review video. See you guys in the next video.